Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Begin by positioning the vehicle on a flat surface, with the door unlocked and the window fully up. Disconnect the negative battery terminal and wait 2 minutes to clear residual voltage before working near the side airbag. Gather tools, T20 and T30 Torx drivers, a 10 mm socket and ratchet, a small Phillips, and a plastic trim tool or pry wedge to avoid scratching trim. Wear safety glasses and keep fasteners organized in a tray so you don't lose any screws or clips. Start by removing the small trim pieces. Pry off the armrest cover and the bezel around the door handle to expose screws. Use a T20 to remove the screw under the armrest trim, then a small Phillips if needed for the switch cluster. Lift the switch cluster and unplug its connector. Remove the lower 10 mm fastener and the 2 T30 bolts hidden behind the pull handle. Use a plastic trim tool to pry the panel outward at the bottom to pop the plastic clips, then lift the panel upward to clear the window channel. With the panel lifted slightly, reach behind and unclip all electrical connectors for the mirror, lock, and speaker. Press the release tabs and gently pull straight out. Detach the plastic clip or C-clip securing the door handle cable and unhook the cable from the interior handle. Peel back the foam water shield carefully, do not tear it, and replace if damaged to maintain a vapor barrier. To reinstall, align the panel tabs into the window channel. Press the lower clips until they click, reinstall fasteners, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.